What's up YouTube, this is MMB back with our video. Today when I'm going on the Geelong fishing charter on the bay here and to see what we can catch. So there's the boat. So yeah, so hopefully it goes well and everything. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video. That's coming up right now. I got a couple. Getting a couple little bites. Yeah, still got me bait. Time to drop it back down. Oh, there's a tap. There's a harbour tap. Got him. Got one. Got a nice one. Nice one. That's better. That's a better pinky. Just dropping it back down. There we are. It's on the bottom again. Just got a tap. Oy. Just missed the hook up. It's going back down. See if I can bring him up again. There we go, we're on the bottom. Straight away. Whatever it is, it's not fighting too much. It's taking some drag. It's a nice flathead. Foul hooked. Foul hooked one, see. The little, probably a little pinky that wasn't. And I'm on. Nice little flathead. Got him. Oh, just about the hook. There we go, just letting it sink to the bottom again.
Yeah, it's quite a big one.
Just got a bite. He's tapping it, tapping it. He's tapping it. Got him. Come on. Come on, he's on the... He's going for a little run. Nice flathead coming up. All I can see. Okay. I just dropped it back down to the bottom. I'm just going to drop it down again, see how long it will take.
Yeah, there's one more flathead down there, Matt.
And here we go.
You'll catch a similar size one to us, but we've got one more flathead. Yeah, there's the board.
And I'm on. And I'm on. That's a nice looking flatty. Nice little flatty.
Yeah, good night.
It's going well down here.
You reel them in, they got blood and they take it out, and then call the bucket time not to rise, eh?
Got already 5 legal ones in the bucket. And I'm on again.
And if we had legal ones, well, I'm shooting, yeah?
I'm on again. To only a... Oh, nice one. It's a nice flathead. There we go. Drop it back down. There we are, we on. We on, we on. Oh!
We're off, we're off.
You keep losing the basses, what are you doing?
I'm not even catching anything.
How was you going up the back before, right?
Oh, yeah, he's getting a lot of little ones.
Oh, yeah.
But everybody's up there now.
Yeah, we had to run a little one until we started getting legal ones.
Can I pinch one of them off you? Yeah, that's alright, I know he's hoping.
Here we are. I'm on.
This time.
I'm on this time. Oh, and he just spat the hook.
He's off again.
3 carts, 3 fish, 3 loss.
Yeah, but he's not losing his bait.
Right.
Alright.
Thank you.
Oh, I just spat the hook.
Blasted on us. It's a monster.
Oh, way!
Big one. And it's on my rod too. Good bite, you.
We don't know yet. Not your fish.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
I don't
Yes,
see
it
them.
is. It's got my hook on it.
The belly.
That looks decent too, that did.
Little one.
Yeah. He had a mate behind him.
You reckon leave him in there and catch
There we go. Dip down to the bottom again. That concludes the video for today. Hope you guys did enjoy that quick clip. It wasn't that quick, it was a good fishing sesh. Alright, finished results. Nice couple nice flatties on this lovely bay here in Geelong. And we're about to move back to shore. If you guys did like this video, please subscribe, please share, and I'll see you guys in the next event. Peace out.